Hello, this is Cameron doing a proof video for our trade lines postings. I'm from United Credit. We've been doing trade lines for over 8 years now. We're starting to showcase some of our trade line postings. A lot of people that sell trade lines, they don't post, but we guarantee our postings. Our lines stay on 60 days. And we do have free consulting. A lot of times you may not need a trade line, depending upon how many accounts you have and the average age of accounts. A lot of factors that go into whether or not you should buy a trade line. We can help you do that. We have over 450 trade lines posting every week. We can definitely help you add trade lines to your profile to boost your score. We also do credit repair as well as trade line supplying trade lines. So this is one of our lines we're showcasing. You know, sometimes you need an extreme boost. Old trade line. This guy got a 1990. That's about 32 year old trade line. So we have from 1 year to 32 years, you see. And get on our list. We have a list you can subscribe to. It's a bi-weekly list. It's tradelines.biz with the S, tradelines.biz. Subscribe to that. It's free. And get a bi-weekly updated list. So anyway, so this is a $16,000 Discover, 32 years old, perfect pay history, authorized users. Again, one of our flagship products really needs an A's on your profile. And these are hard to get, but we do have 3 of these. A Discover, a Bank of America, and I believe a Barclays. We have a lot of older trade lines that really help you boost your score. And that's about it. I just want to show you that the lines do post. Feel free to call us, 202-213-2218. We will try and do at least one video a week showing our trade lines postings. If you have any questions, call us or subscribe to our list. Thank you.